Today in this video we are going to see the aptitude problems based on pipes and cisterns. So an inlet pipe is connected. Inlet pipe is the pipe that is connected to a tank or a reservoir or a cistern that fills it is known as an inlet. So suppose it is your reservoir tank and this is the pipe. The water is flowing in through the pipe and therefore it is inlet, and the outlet would be the water flowing out of the tank. That pipe is known as outlet. Suppose this pipe can fill a tank in X hours. So the total tank can be filled in 1 hour would be. So how much amount the tank would have filled in 1 hour? That is 1 by X. And suppose if a pipe can empty a tank that is an outlet, that was an inlet pipe. Suppose it is an outlet pipe and it can empty a tank in Y hours. So in 1 hour it can output it as like this. Suppose a pipe can fill a tank in X hours and there is that is an inlet pipe and there is an outlet pipe that fills tank in Y hours. Inlet X hours and outlet Y hours. They are both running simultaneously and Y is greater than X. Therefore the total amount that would take as Y is greater than X, therefore outlet is taking more hours. Therefore the liquid in the tank is flowing at a slower rate. So there the tank would fill up, and the time it would take to fill up is 1 by X minus 1 by Y. And suppose there is an inlet tank that takes X hours and outlet tank that take Y hours, but this time Y is lesser than X. Therefore the time taken would be 1 by Y minus 1 by X. Okay, so the thing is done. Now we are going to solve two questions based on these things. So suppose there is a tank of size 9 feet into 5 feet by 2 feet, 9 feet by 5 feet by 2 feet, with an inlet pipe and exhaust pipe. The inlet pipe pours in 576 cubic inch 576 cubic inch of water per minute, and exhaust pipe can empty the full tank in 3 hours. So if the tank is full, both pipes are open, how many hours will it take to empty it? So first we need to calculate, first we need to convert this feet into cubic inches. So in order to do that, we know that 1 feet is equals to 12 inches. Okay, so that is correct. 9 into 5 into 2 into 12 into 12 into 12. That is 10 into 9, 90 into 144 into 12. So the answer would come out to be, we do not need to actually solve the answer because we need to just find out how much cubic inch of water is being drained per minute. So in order to do that, the time, exhaust time, is given as 3 hours. Outlet pipe, so the answer would be 3 into 60 because we have been provided the time in minutes. So we need to solve it. It is 4, it is 15, it is 6 into 144. That would come out to be 864 cubic meter, 864 cubic inches, 864 cubic inches. Net volume drained in 1 minute when both tanks are open. So we were provided the volume that is being provided with cubic inch per minute was 576. So the net volume would be 864 minus 576. That means 288. So the required time would be So the required time would be 90 into 12 into 12 into 12 into 288 into 60. That is 9 hours. So that's how we solve. We convert this 288 cubic inches into minutes. And now in the example 2 we are going to solve it. Pipe A can fill a tank in 30 hours and pipe B in 45 hours. Pipe A in 30 hours, pipe B in 45 hours. If both pipes are opened in an empty tank, how much will they take to fill it? Part filled by a tank in 1 hour. Part filled by tank in 1 hour is 1 by 30. Part filled by B in 1 hour is 1 by 45. So the part filled by A plus B in 1 hour is 1 by 30 plus 1 by 45. That would come out to be 10 by 180. That is 1 by 18. So the hence pipe A and B together will fill the tank in 18 hours. Okay, so that's all about pipes and cisterns. Thank you for watching.